Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, wherever you're in the world today. I hope you're having a good one. I'm B-Tick, this is the Balloon Sculptor, and today we're going to cover a technique that's not used that often, but when you need it, it's really nice to have. It's called the roll through. Now, the thing with the roll through technique is that you need about three bubbles about the same size. So we're going to get started with that. So we're just going to go one, fold over, get two, and for this third one here, now, based on what you want, this is going to be the belly of your roll through. So it can be smaller, longer. It matters how the dimensions you want to go with. But we're going to make it about the same size. Now, the way that this roll through is, as you can tell, there's really nothing to twist it into like our normal twist. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to push it up right to the top. You can see exactly how it looks there. And then what I'm going to do is, just as the name says, I'm going to roll it through. I'm going to push it. And as I'm pushing, I'm kind of rolling the other balloons. So let's do just that. And you can see there, I'm pushing, and it's coming right through. And that gives me this. Now, you can do another one if you want to make a cluster of four, but usually the roll through technique is done with a cluster of three. And it's simply just that. Again, it's just that roll through. Let's do it one more time. There it is on the bottom. And we'll just roll it through to the top. There you go, just like that. And that's the roll through technique. So we've covered most of the beginner techniques now. So you've learned how to do the pop twist, the ear twist, the split twist, the pearls, the the loop twist, the regular twist. You've learned a bunch of different techniques. We're going to be doing some videos also in the tutorial section where they're going to be showing you how to use all those techniques together. But until then, remember, a smile is free. A thank you only takes a second, but an encouraging word can change someone's life forever. Y'all have a good day. Till next time. Adios.